Today I'm going to show you how to get that mummy tummy fix without surgery, without crunches or sit-ups, and without going one more day hating that mummy belly. Mommies have seen a huge difference in just a few short weeks. Once I implemented these exercises, I saw a huge difference in how my belly looked and felt. My tummy was flatter, my belly button didn't look as weird, and I was able to wear the shirts that I wanted to wear and not the ones that I had to wear. Now, these exercises are more intermediate, so if you've already been doing some diastasis exercises, this will be perfect for you. If not, I will have modifiers that will be a little more basic and it'll look something like this. Or you can check out some of my other exercise videos on this topic. If you're a mom who could use a little bit of help, please consider subscribing below and hit that notification bell so you can be notified of my next upcoming videos, because there's going to be a lot of them. With that being said, let's get started. First, we are going to lie down on the floor or a mat. It's important when lying down to do a log roll so that you don't add extra pressure to your belly. So essentially, all you do is slide on your side and then roll back. This also goes for when you get into bed and out of it. Our first exercise is leg lifts. Take a deep breath in and pull your belly towards the floor. Inhale and lift one leg up and down, and do this for 10 repetitions, then switch legs. There shouldn't be any arching of your back. If you're doing the modifier, you're going to bend your knee and tap on the ground. The second exercise we're going to do is open clams. Bend your legs and lift them up. You are then going to split and open them almost like a clamshell lift, only you're on your back. Complete this for 20 reps. Remember to keep your belly button towards the ground and keep your movement nice and controlled. The next exercise is a bridge with a squeeze. You can use a small exercise ball or a kid's ball or even a pillow. Get into a bridge position, again being mindful of your belly towards the ground, and then lift and squeeze your butt while hitting at the top. Do these for 10 repetitions. Then we will go into bird dogs. Do a log roll to get up and then get on all fours with your hands under your shoulders. You're going to extend your left arm up and out while you lift your opposite leg. Alternate these for 20 reps. One thing to note when doing this exercise is it's easy to end up leaning to one side like I'm showing in the video. You want to make sure that you are square and even balanced on the ground. Now we repeat the process. Make sure you have your belly pulled in, take a deep breath in, pull that belly in, and now do the leg lifts for 10 reps a side. You can do these exercises every single day, but if you find that you are a little sore the next day, then you can back off and do it every other day until you start strengthening that core and feeling like you can handle each day. You can also increase the reps or do another round to make it harder. Next is open clams. Inhale while opening and exhale while closing. Next is bridges with ball squeeze. Make sure to squeeze your butt at that top of that movement. Next is bird dogs. Remember to lift your arm with your opposite leg. And finally, stretch it all out. As I mentioned, you could do these every single day, and as you get stronger, you can always increase the reps or you can do another round. Please share this video to help other moms just like you, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can be part of the Bodies After Babies community. I'd love to have you aboard. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.